In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can either scroll and click on all of those icons at the top right corners to see all available themes. Then tap on the best one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and then hit apply right away to get new keyboard. Or you can use the same settings by tapping on this plus icon to customize it with any photo you want. Let me explain. After tapping on the plus, you need to click on a photo, pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders the same way as before and tap on apply. This time, as you can see, I customized my keyboard in a few seconds. I highly recommend to at least try it because it's real fun. If you don't like what you came up with, you can go back to the same settings and tap on your theme to delete it thanks to this pin or to add it thanks to this pen, both at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!